right, guys, today we'll be going over point of view, also known as POV. So we're going to read the following slides to refresh on what point of view means and the types of point of view. We've gone over this in the first marking period, and we've kind of chatted about it throughout. So this should just be a refresher for all of you. So point of view is who is telling the story. It's the perspective or the view from which the narrator tells the story. There are 5 types of point of view: first person, second person, third person objective, third person limited, and third person omniscient. What's the difference? So first person uses pronouns that are in the first person. So I, me, my, we, us, our. It's all about them, right? It's first person. Second person is you and your. It's when the narrator is talking to the reader. This is pretty rare to see in literature. You see it a lot in the Choose Your Own Adventure books. And then there's third person, he, she, it, they, them, their, etc. That's the outside point of view. So that's not somebody who's directly involved in the story. They're outside of it, and they're telling you what's going on. So third person explained. Objective is when the narrator can only tell you what can be seen or heard. They don't know anyone's thoughts or feelings, so it's completely objective. And then you have limited. That's when a narrator or narrators are confined to what is experienced, thought, or felt by a single character, or at the most a limited number of characters. So you don't get everybody in this. It's maybe 1 or 2, just a very small amount that you get the thoughts and feelings for. And then omniscient is all-knowing. So that's when you know all of the characters' thoughts and feelings and actions and dialogue. You see everything. It's all-knowing. So those are the 3 types of third person. So here you go. If you check this out, when you go to the student paced option, you can see some examples of the different types of third person broken down. So how do you determine point of view? You have to look at the narration, not the dialogue. So when someone speaks, they typically use first person, like I, me, my. So when you look at dialogue, you're seeing that. That's not going to tell you the point of view. For point of view, you only look at the narration. You look outside of the dialogue. What you're going to do now is you're going to sit back and enjoy listening to the true story of the 3 little pigs. Make sure you answer the questions at the end, and make sure you watch the full video in the student paced option. So you're going to answer the question, the original 3 Little Pigs is told from the point of view of the pigs. Whose point of view is this story being told from? So if you need to, you can listen to the video again, but whose point of view was that video in? And then you have your point of view discussion collaboration board. So describe how this point of view, so the point of view from the video, changes the 3 Little Pigs story that you remember. Use full sentences and have at least 3 sentences total. So you're going to type in the box there, share, it's going to pop up like a little Post-it, and then you're going to start to be able to see others, your other classmates as well. If you need more help, please see our optional support zone folder on Schoology. There is another point of view Nearpod lesson from the first marking period that you can look over again and it has like some guided practice in there, or you can look at the video point of view explained from another Marsh Creek 6th grade center teacher. And that's it.